Hello friends, welcome back to Saujanya's English class. This is our topic of the day, letter of application. A letter of application for a job is nothing but marketing your skills and qualifications. In the sense, it conveys the recruiters how and why you are suitable for that particular job. And language style of letter of application, like any other formal letter, formal and to the point. Format that of any formal letter. No flowery vocabulary. It should be simple. An application letter consists of two parts. They are covering letter and biodata. It is also called as curriculum vitae or resume as well. Let us look at the format of letter of application. First detail is sender's address, followed by date, long date, receiver's address, then salutation, then the subject of the letter, then main body, which consists of 3 paragraphs, introduction, development and conclusion. Then comes thanking note, and then complimentary close, yours sincerely, then sender's name. Okay, leave one line between each and every detail so that it is really beautiful to look at, highly presentable. What is meant by covering letter of an application? It consists of 3 paragraphs. Introduction. So this is the body of the letter. Covering letter is nothing but body of this application letter. What do we write towards that introduction? Where have you got the information about the job? Might be some newspaper or might be some online advertisement. Wherever you have got the information from, you are going to write in the introduction paragraph. And then comes development paragraph. There you have to write all the details of your qualifications and candidature, in the sense why you are suitable for that job. Okay. And then comes conclusion, concluding paragraph. It should end the letter on a positive note, and you can even request for an interview date as well. Okay, that is towards conclusion. Then after the signature, mention the list of the enclosures. What are you enclosing with that letter? It can be passport size photo, biodata, copies of your testimonials, those are certificates, etc. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to enclose all these details with every letter of application. It depends. And then what is biodata? Biodata, curriculum vitae or personal resume. What does it mean? What sort of details go into biodata? Let us look at that. It should be written in a standardized format. You can't write each and every detail as per your wish. There is some standardized format for writing a biodata, and we are going to follow it strictly. And then it includes 4 types of information, like personal details, name, date of birth, father's name, hobbies, all those things come under personal details. Nationality, marital status. Second one is qualifications, your educational qualifications, example BTech, MBA, MCA, whatever. And then work experience, your varied work exposure till date in other previous organizations wherever you have worked with. And then comes reference, names and cadre of the persons who referred you from the previous organization. So all these details go into biodata, okay, or curriculum vitae or personal resume as well. Don't get carried away with all those words. They all mean the same: biodata, personal resume and curriculum vitae. Okay, so it basically includes 4 types of information: personal details like name, date of birth, father's name and all, and then qualifications. Qualifications in the sense your educational qualifications, what have you studied, sort of in relevant to the given job you are supposed to write that. Okay, and your relevant work experience, wherever you have worked with your previous organizations, what sort of work you have done there. There should be a relevance with the given post or given question. Okay, see to it that both are matching. Don't write different sort of work experience for different sort of job profile. And then comes reference, the people, names and cadre of the people who referred you from the previous organization. So this is basically about biodata. You need not write so much of information towards all this. Single liners will do, because we have a word limit of 120 to 150 words. That's it. Okay. So we need not elaborate any sort of thing in biodata or even in covering letter. And then look at one sample letter. You are Anjali or Avyay, 41B, Sector 4, Faridabad, Haryana. Write an application along with your personal resume in 120 to 150 words in response to the following advertisement in The Hindu. The Hindu, name of the chronicle. Wanted an experienced accountant to work with our company. Apply to the manager, TESL, Chandigarh by 15th August 2020. So this is the question given to us. So as per this question, what sort of information we have got here? We have got the name, sender's name, either Anjali or Avyay. Sender's address, 41B, Sector 4, Faridabad, Haryana. And then you are going to write a response letter to the advertisement in The Hindu. That is, in the introduction paragraph, where have you got the information about this job? We are going to answer with the help of this advertisement in The Hindu. Okay. What do they want? Wanted an experienced accountant to work with their company. Apply to receiver's address, the manager, TESL, Chandigarh. Okay. So this is the information we have got here from the given question. Let us see how to write the application letter. 41B, Sector 4, Faridabad, Haryana. So this is the sender's address as per the given question. We haven't created anything. Whatever is given there, we are using it. Then comes long date, 2nd August 2020. Okay. And then receiver's address, the manager, TESL, Chandigarh. Okay. So this is the information given in the letter question itself. Okay. The manager, apply to the manager, TESL, Chandigarh. That is what is given in our question. So we have written a date here, 2nd August 2020, because we are supposed to apply before 15th August 2020. According to that, I have written date here. You have to check that if any dates are mentioned in the question, see to it that they match in your letter. Dear sir, okay, salutation, and then comes the subject. Why are you writing this letter? Application for the post of the accountant. So this is format till now. Let us see how to write covering letter, okay, which forms the main body of our application letter. With your advertisement for the post of an accountant in The Hindu dated 30th July 2020, I hereby offer my candidature for the same. I have had the opportunity to work with Techno Solutions Haryana for 3 years. I have also had the pleasure of receiving the Employee of the Year award in 2019 from the firm. I am a young and energetic person who can learn anything quickly. If I am given a chance to work with your esteemed organization, I assure you that I will certainly add to the glory of TESL. You may call me for an interview at any date of your convenience. As requested, I have enclosed my resume with this letter for your kind perusal. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Anjali. And then enclosures, personal resume. So this is how we developed our covering letter. What are the details we have included? Let us have a quick look. So in the introductory paragraph, we are supposed to answer the question, where have we got that information about the post? Okay. So with your advertisement for the post of an accountant, where in The Hindu, dated, this is very important. You have to write the date of the advertisement. Whenever you write, you have seen a paper advertisement, you are supposed to write the date. It is a must. Dated 30th July 2020. I hereby offer my candidature for the same in the sense, for the post of an accountant. Okay. So this is our introductory paragraph. And then we have to develop, why are we suitable for the job, we need to mention. Okay. So towards that, what have we written here? I have had the opportunity to work with Techno Solutions for 3 years. So relevant experience, I have also had the pleasure of receiving the Employee of the Year award in 2019. So that is one accolade we have received. Okay. I am a young and energetic person who can learn anything quickly. So you are telling about yourself. As I have already told you, this letter of application is nothing but marketing your skills and value, okay, so that they can recruit you. Recruiters have a clear cut idea of what you can do, what is your relevant previous experience, how are you suitable to this job, and all those details. Okay. And if I am given a chance to work with your esteemed organization, I assure you, what are you assuring them, will certainly add to the glory of your company TESL. Okay, this is how you have briefly told them about what all you can do, what is your relevant experience and all. Okay, and then comes our concluding paragraph. What have we written here? You may call me for an interview at any date of your convenience. Okay, so we are requesting them for calling us for an interview. Okay, as requested. They have mentioned that we are supposed to enclose our personal resume. Okay, I have enclosed my resume with this letter for your kind perusal. Okay, this is what some simple kind of jargon, you can even go for by hearting these things with your advertisement for the post of an accountant. Post may vary, newspaper may vary, or source may vary, but rest of the things are common with your reference, with your advertisement for so and so, dated so and so. I hereby offer my candidature for the same. This remains the same. Okay, you can even by heart these set phrases. And then I have had the opportunity to work with Techno Solutions. See, what is your previous experience you are mentioning here? Very briefly, you haven't elaborated on any point. If you look at this, you are mentioning your previous work experience, and then you are mentioning one of your accolades over here. You have received the Employee of the Year award in 2019, which is really a good thing that they can hire you for your capability. And I am a young and energetic person who can learn anything quickly. You have told them about your work attitude and culture. And then if I am given a chance to work with your esteemed organization, we are supposed to write something positive about the organization. That is why we are ready to leave our previous organization and work with this particular one. That is why we are supposed to write something positive about that esteemed organization. I assure you, this word also, I assure you that I will certainly add to the glory of so and so. This is also a set phrase. Okay, you may call for an interview at any date of your convenience. This entire thing, you can just by heart and reproduce in any sort of letter writing application, letter writing. Okay, so you may call me for an interview at any date of your convenience. As requested, I have enclosed my resume with this letter for your kind perusal. These are also some kind of set phrases. Okay, you can just by heart them. You can use them for any letter of application. Okay, and then comes thanking you, one thanking note followed by complimentary clause. Yours sincerely. Please note that I haven't written any apostrophe here, and you are also not supposed to write. Okay, yours sincerely. Yours doesn't need any apostrophe. You should not use apostrophe in yours. Okay, yours sincerely. Name, according to the question, it is Anjali. And then enclosures. What are you enclosing here? Just your personal resume. You need not even mention passport sized photo and all those things. Okay, just see to it that you stick to the given word limit at any point of time. And then comes resume. Okay, let us see what goes into resume. First one is name, that is Anjali as per the given question. Father's name, you can create any name, Mr. Ranjan. Date of birth 7th May 1994. Address as per the given question, it is 41B Sector 4 Faridabad, Haryana. And then hobbies, you can write anything, reading, listening to music, researching, photography, whatever it is. Languages known, Hindi, English, you can even go for any other languages, German, French, Russian, Malayali, whatever it is. And then nationality, Indian. Educational qualifications as per the given post or relevant educational qualifications you are supposed to write. MCom from Mumbai University, Diploma in Cost Accounting from IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. And then work experience, relevant one, you're going to write here as an accountant in Techno Solutions Haryana from 2017 to 2019. See, you are supposed to write relevant work experience over here. Okay, so question is given for the post of accountant and you are not supposed to write any other details like for teaching as a software engineer, whatever it is. Okay, so see to it that you write relevant educational qualifications and relevant work experience. And then reference, whoever has referred you from the previous organizations. You have to create some names and cadres. Mr. Praveen Tripathi, name, and cadre is head accountant, where in the previous organization Techno Solutions Haryana. Okay, so this is briefly about resume. If you observe, we haven't elaborated on anything. Okay, this is a single liners, name, father's name, whatever it is, single liners. Okay, we need not elaborate this resume because we may exceed our word limit. That is why we have to see to it that we always stick to the given word limit. 25 to 30 is always okay, but don't exceed more than that. Okay, you need not write much into covering letter as well. One line towards your work culture, work attitude, and one line about your previous organization, one line about your accolades, that is more than enough. Okay, and concluding paragraph anyway, we just request them for calling us an interview. Okay, so it is not an issue. An introduction anyway, we are going to write only in one sentence. Where have we got the information about this particular job? Okay, so in this way, if we don't elaborate on anything, we can always stick to the given word limit. There won't be any problem for us. Okay, so this is about letter of application for a job. Let us quickly look at your exercise. This is your exercise. You are Alok Sharma, A120, Patel Nagar, Sultanpura. Write an application letter in response to the following advertisement. Haryana Pharmaceuticals, Road number 8, Lakshmanpur, requires medical representative, should be a science or pharmacy graduate aged below 25 years. Fluency in communicative English is essential. Apply with personal resume to the above mentioned address. Okay, so this is the given question. Let us see what are all the details that are being given to us. Name is given. Sender's name is Alok Sharma. Sender's address is given A120 Patel Nagar, Sultanpura. And you are going to write a response to the following advertisement. And receivers, Haryana Pharmaceuticals, Road number 8, Lakshmanpur. Okay, so you can write the manager, Haryana Pharmaceuticals, Road number 8, Lakshmanpur. And then what do they require? They require medical representative and should be background, should be a science or pharmacy graduate. And one more requirement is age should be below 25 years. And fluency in communicative English is essential. So apply with personal resume, that is biodata you are supposed to include. Okay, to the above mentioned address, that is this Haryana Pharmaceuticals, the manager, Haryana Pharmaceuticals, Road number 8, Lakshmanpur. Okay, so this is your exercise of the day. I hope you have understood everything about letter of job application, and I think you won't have any problem in solving this exercise as well. Okay, wish you all the best. Cheers. Meet you soon with another interesting video. Bye for now, guys.